job's a joke you broke, your love life's the away. It's like you're always stuck in second gear, when it hasn't been your day, your week, your month, or even your year. But I'll be there for you when the rain starts to fall. I'll be there for you like I've been there before. I'll be there for you 'cause you're there for me too.
Are you going trick-or-treating this year?
Yes. Yeah. Yes. Yeah.
What are you dressing up as?
Tinkerbell. I'm going as a kitty cat. And me too. Elsa.
Of course.
Lego. I'm going to be a Lego. I'm going as Superwoman. Spider-Man.
And what's your favorite thing about trick-or-treating?
It's fun. Getting candy. Candy. I'm going to be a Minecraft zombie.
A Minecraft zombie?
Candy. Candy.
My back.
Trick-or-treating.
Calculators, math problems.
Real cute. I gotta go see it.
I don't have candy.
Mold.
Well, don't you all look nice? Thank you. Alright, let's see what we got. Some for you. Some for you. Hello, honey. Hi. How are you?
I'm doing fantastic.
Nice.
Thank you.
Oh, my back.
Space on my phone to take pictures.
No
Well, I
candy?
have like,
God, I really must be
I have gum or something in my purse. Will that work?
Trick-or-treat.
I'm not gonna do it. I'm walking away.
Are you trick-or-treating?
Yep.
Yeah.
I have some candy.
I have some too. I don't have costume on. I thought costumes are supposed to be scary. Is that just me? Maybe it'd be really funny. Put a piece of bread in there. Do it. Put a piece of bread, yeah. Yeah. Good part.
Here we go. You are in luck. There's some for you, some for you. And don't forget to bring your library card when you come check out books, okay?
Thank you.
All right, you're welcome.
We're here with Coach Schwinder, head coach of the football team. So Coach, how do you think the year has been so far?
I think the year's been, pretty successful. I think kids are having fun, the coaching staff's having fun, they're working hard, and fortunately we got some wins under our belt, so it's going pretty good.
How much do you think the team has improved since the first day of practice?
I think we've improved a great deal. We're able to do a lot more stuff offensively and defensively. There's still some fundamental stuff that we have to work on as there is throughout the year, but I think with our ability to do a lot of different things, that's a pretty good sign that we've improved pretty well.
How do you think you will do in districts?
Well, hopefully we win districts, but right now who we're matched up against, we think we can have some success. We start off versus Highland. and then we'll play. You know, if we get past that, we'll play the winner of Clopton and Van Far, and then getting past that, we'll get the winner of Elmira, Clark County, Montgomery, or North Callaway. So, you know, all games that we feel like we can get wins on.
So you think the team's gonna go state?
You know, we have to play a lot better than we have in the past couple weeks. A lot of stuff we have to fix, but you know, we get those fixed here in the next couple weeks through districts, and there's a good shot we can get pretty deep.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.